Welcome to Ride Your Ride, Hampton Roads. Today we're sitting outside of Walmart Marketplace on Mercury Boulevard in Jefferson. And with us today we have Mr. Joseph Wilkins of Aid Our Veterans, and he's here to tell you how he's raising money for the homeless veterans of, is it just Virginia or anywhere, Mr. Joseph?
Across the country.
Go ahead and tell us about it.
Hi, my name is Joe Wilkins. We're out here fundraising today for Aid Our Veterans. Our home office is out of Essex, Maryland. Right now we're responding to a need in this country. 25% of all the homeless in the United States are veterans. Half of those are Vietnam veterans. So what we do, just to make sure I get it all in here, we get temporary and permanent shelter to these veterans. We rehab house for homeless veterans, job training and job placement, which is so important, employment guidance and counseling. We visit veterans in the hospital. We raise funds with hempenite jewelry like this here, which has municipal properties. It's a magnetic bracelet. You may have heard of this. Helps you with your health. Well, when you purchase one or donate a certain amount of money, we will give one of these bracelets or necklaces to a recovering veteran in the Veterans Hospital on your behalf. Of course, they won't know who you are, but they'll know that someone cared enough to do that. So that's what we're doing out here. If you see us in the future, know that we're helping homeless vets and be as generous as you can. We appreciate it, and we appreciate Walmart letting us sit out here. So,
and as a veteran myself, I like to say thank you for doing what you're doing out here. Ride Your Ride, Hampton Roads, be great. Start your upward movement today, for tomorrow isn't promised. Please go out there and get yourselves tested for HIV/AIDS. And if you see a veteran, please feel free to support them. Can you give them a That's Glue Baby?
That's glue, baby.
That's glue, baby.